Hey everyone, this is Swati and you're watching Beauty Things. Today's episode is about these beautiful The One Express lip crayons from the brand named Oriflame. Before that, if you have not subscribed our channel, just click on the subscription button. It's free of cost, and yes, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified of our new videos. The price of these lipsticks are 559 rupees, but it cost me around 380 rupees. It was in offer that month. So guys, if you want to see the swatches both under natural and flashlight, keep watching. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. There's no need of sharpener. That is the good thing about it. I personally love this roller kind of thing, which we generally get to see in our normal lipsticks, which basically pushes up the lip color, makes it really convenient to use. Here you can see you actually get a good amount of lipstick. And yes, if you want to buy them online, they are available on Amazon as well. I'll be attaching link in the description box. So guys, check it out. You can directly buy it from there. So let's swatch these gorgeous shades. Keep watching for that. So the first one here is Coral Rose. It's a beautiful peachy shade, perfect for fair skin, and medium skin people can use it by mixing it or lining it with any of the rust shade. Yeah, they can just mix it up with rust shade. Second one here is Fushia Fantasy. It is a fuchsia shade as the name suggests, but it's not like that regular fuchsia lip color available in market. It's really bright, more on fluorescent side and less on magenta. It has that hint of fluorescent pink. I mean, it's totally gorgeous fuchsia shade I have ever used. I have medium skin tone and it rocks on my skin. Third one here is the Orange Crush. Just like a regular orange candy shade, good for fair to medium skin tone, and dark skin people can, mix and match this shade. Fourth one here is a Red Flush. It's a bright red shade, more on tomato red side than on blood red. I mean, it has a pinch of orange in it, just a slight touch of orange. Fifth one here is a Purple Haze, a very beautiful plum shade, which I can go for a try as I personally don't like purpley plummy shades. But this is the one which looks gorgeous if you turn it into a matte shade with the help of tissue paper or powder. It just reminds me of the shade which Priyanka Chopra was wearing in the film festival with black sari. Here you can see the pic. Last but not the least is our Indigo Deer. As the name suggests, it is actually a shade which I would like to know from you people that have you ever dared to wear this shade? It's a kind of a shade which is not frequently seen applied by people, but if you are the one, do write it in the comment box. I just love to hear from you all your favorite color from this range of Oriflame. Keep watching guys, as I'll be showing you these shades under flashlight in a while. And yes, don't forget to share this video with your clients, friends who are willing to buy these shades. They are available online, as I've already told you. Here we have these shades under flashlight. As you can see here, they are highly pigmented, and texture of these lipsticks just like any other creamy lipstick. It stays for 4 to 5 hours. If you eat or drink something in between, it's as usual becomes lighten up. So guys, that's all from my side today. If you really find it helpful, if you like it, give it a big thumbs up and click on the channel icon to subscribe. Bye bye.